You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this fear of crowds, this phobia. If you want to learn more very interesting but confusing phobia names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Enochlophobia. Let's break it down. So it's in between E and E, alright? It's Enochlophobia. Now, some say it Enochlophobia, which is fine. Some may say Enochlophobia, which is also fine. So you have kind of slight variations. I like to pronounce it right in between this sound, Enochlophobia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.